Greetings to you all, and it's good to have you back on this channel just like always. And yes guys, on today's video we are live in Iweka Road, Onitsha. Yes, Onitsha is the biggest commercial city in West Africa, and we are going to take you from Iweka Road. Also, we are going to drive through towards the Zik Avenue in Onitsha, and from the Zik Avenue we are also going to drive through the Harcourt Road in Onitsha. So all of these roads, we are going to look at them and see what they currently look like at the moment. And I must tell you guys, all of these roads have been constructed and in proper use by the populace, and this is truly what we need the government for, seeing that the dividend of democracy reach to the grassroots, especially such a city like Onitsha. Yes, some guys, a lot of persons have always been asking about what the roads in Onitsha look like currently, and that's why we are bringing this video to you to show you a glimpse of what the roads in the city of Onitsha looks like currently. And I must tell you, the way it is, Onitsha has truly improved massively from what it used to be when it comes to road infrastructure. Guys, to be sincere with you, if you knew what this particular area used to look like before now, you would know that there has been a massive transformation already within this city. And to be sincere, it's actually touched virtually every part of Onitsha. What we have today is a modern Onitsha, unlike what the Onitsha used to be. Yes, Onitsha used to be a city with one of the worst roads and also one of the dirtiest environments. But as it is today, that is all in the past. Onitsha has truly transformed positively and magnificently, and all the same would give thanks to the Soludo's administration for all of these transformations that has taken place within the city of Onitsha in a very short period of time. You can see that the Iweka Road from this point is totally dualized up to the main market axis. So over here we are going to take the Zik Avenue so that we also look at this particular road and see what it looks like. And also, I remember some time ago when this particular road was terribly bad. Like, we couldn't pass through this road because the roads were very terrible at that particular time. Yes, we couldn't even drive through this road, and it was always crowded, just like we are seeing now. Yes, the road is a very busy route in this city and always crowded like this. But because the roads are better now, like the roads are motorable now, you can see that we could access this road and we could drive on it on a broad daylight like this. It's very interesting. Like, I'm so happy because I never knew that this road was even constructed until now. So it's a very good one coming from the Soludo's administration to see that this particular road is being constructed properly, with also proper drainages besides it. I mean, a very huge drainages were constructed besides this road for it to be able to stand and also last for a very long period of time. So guys, you can see that the city of Onitsha is an ever busy city, just like always. Yes, talking about its business, that has not changed. It's a very busy city. And don't forget that we'll have a lot of markets around this Zik Avenue, talking about the Ochanja market and also the Iweka busy street markets. So we are going to go from here also, and we are going to connect from one other street to the Harcourt Road so that we'll look at the Port Harcourt road and also know what it currently looks like at the moment. So guys, just in case you are joining this channel for the first time, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to subscribe to this channel, comment, share this video, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also, to our returning subscribers, thank you so very much. You guys are the really MVPs. You are the best. God bless you. Also, I would love to hear your thoughts on this video. I would love to hear your views. Please air your views on the comment sections. Let's hear your advices. Let's hear your commendations, whatever it is you think about the Onitsha roads as of today. Yes, Onitsha now has one of the best roads even in Anambra state. I must tell you the way it is. Every part of this city has been fixed. Talking about road infrastructure, Onitsha has got one of the best in recent days. So I would love to hear from you. Let me hear your views about what is happening or what has happened already in the city of Onitsha. You can see it for yourself. This is not propaganda. This is not a mere saying. Yes, when we say things, we bring it to you so that you see it the way it is. This is reality. It has happened already. Okay, this is reality happening on ground. So let me hear your points, guys. Let me hear what you think about this magnificent progress that had been recorded in the city of Onitsha. To be sincere with you, this is beautiful. You can see that the city is looking more beautiful than it used to be. Yes, before now, all of these places don't have road. Like, it's very terrible and bad, making the whole place look very unkempt. But look at it now. There is a good third road in this city. You know, it's now making the movement within the city very easy and accessible without so much traffic and stress and all of that. So guys, from here we would connect the Port Harcourt road already. Yes, we are already out and we are already connecting live in the Port Harcourt road Onitsha. You can also see how the Port Harcourt road in Onitsha looks like. And all the same, some trees were planted besides this Port Harcourt road on both sides. So if you look closely, you will notice some green trees were planted along besides both sides of the road. There are green trees planted from one point to another, and within a very short time all of these trees will spring up and they would give this road a very beautiful look. So let me hear what you think about this progress that have been recorded in the city of Onitsha. I'm telling you, every part of Onitsha has received a touch of the Soludo's administration, and that's a very good one. Also, if you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. And at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel just in case you have not subscribed already. Bye for now.